Hey guys, so today's gonna be my first time attempting to install a lace frontal on myself. I did get this hair from Amazon and this is what it looked like straight out of the package. Then I proceeded to go ahead and bleach the knots as well as in wash the hair. Alright guys, so I decided to do the bald cap method because I feel like it would make my install look more natural. So I did purchase the wig cap from my local beauty supply store and I'm just showing you guys now what the wig looks like washed. This is the construction of the wig. It does have 3 combs and it also came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do any plucking, and honestly I don't really know how to pluck anyways, so that worked out in my favor. Now I'm going to be taking my hot comb and I'm just going to be hot combing the hair back, and this is just so the hair could be out of the way. Now I'm going to be turning the wig inside out. Yes, you heard me, inside out. And this is just so I can measure the lace ear to ear, and this will have your lace laying perfectly. I definitely learned this on TikTok, so I do have to give credit to whoever came up with this because they definitely saved my install. Alright guys, time to see if it measures out to my head perfectly. And it does, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm going to be using the Even Lace spray to hold down my wig. So I watched a couple TikTok videos and YouTube videos on how to lay your lace, and this is what the girlies were doing. They were basically spraying and then just patting that in, spraying and then patting it in. So that is what you guys see me doing here. I'm just spraying and then using my fingers to pat that in. As you guys can see, I'm taking my time with this. I wanted to make sure that I properly installed this wig. So right now I'm just fanning the wig. I just want it to be a tad bit more dry before applying the scarf. I just don't want the hair to be tacky. You guys know that look where you take off your scarf after thinking you melted your wig and it's all tacky and nasty. Yeah, I was trying to avoid that. Now I'm going to be taking my do-rag. I'm going to be using this to lay down my lace. Alright guys, so I waited about 30 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and take off my do-rag, and so far it looks good. I'm not like terrified or mortified. So we're now gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace. Guys, I'm not even gonna hold you. This was like the hardest thing for me to do because I really did not want to mess up this lace. Like one of the reasons why I have not tried a frontal until this time, because like it's just too much. Like I just felt like I just could not get the logistics of like laying the lace down, cutting the lace. So I was really scared. As you guys can see, like I was playing it safe. I left a lot of lace over, so that is why you guys see me peeling it back a little bit and cutting small. I was peeling it back and cutting it small because I did not want to mess this up. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie. I was a bit concerned at this point. I was like, is this how it's supposed to look? Is this how it's supposed to look? But it's okay because I trusted the process. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to figure out what I wanted to do with like the parting. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. Eventually, I just decided to do a side part. Now I'm going to be going in with a second layer of the Eben lace spray. Oh, do y'all see how this lace is just disappearing right before your eyes? Y'all, I couldn't believe it. I was so proud of myself. Now I'm going to take it a step further and I'm going to be using the Eben Tint Lace Spray. Now I'm just using my phone's camera to make sure that my lace isn't giving ghosts or looking crazy. Now I'm going to go back with my do-rag. I want to just make sure that the lace melts properly. I also decided that I wanted to use my elastic band as well. So that is what you guys see me doing here. I'm just taking my elastic band and I'm applying that right on top of my do-rag. Now I'm going to be going in with my Eben Sleek Stick. I'm going to be using this to basically lay down the front of the wig. I don't want that bulky look or that thick look, so that's what I'm basically doing. I'm going to follow up with my hot comb as well. Y'all, I was putting in work and taking my time because I really wanted this to be flat, and that required like a lot of patience because my arms were screaming. Man, I had to take that elastic band off. I could not do it no more. I was about 2 seconds away from passing out. So now it's finally time to see if I laid the lace properly. So I'm just now taking off the do-rag. So how did I do? What do you guys think? Do you guys think I laid the lace? I pulled out my phone quick. I wanted to make sure that I wasn't being delusional and that the lace was actually like not visible. Alright y'all, not too much on me with this last clip because I really wanted some baby hairs. But like I said y'all, this is my first time ever installing a frontal and I don't know how to lay any baby hairs, but I really wanted to try. And I was like, you know what, baby, it's alright. It's alright. We just go ahead and just have that natural look because I could not lay my baby hairs. Oh, guys, is it giving? What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I was so proud of myself because for my first time, I think I did okay. The lace is like almost transparent. I don't have any baby hairs, but that's okay. All of the information regarding the products will be down in the description box below, so you guys are free to check that out. I'm also excited because I did have a company reach out to me based off of my last video of the U-part wig that I had installed from Unice, and I'm so proud of myself. So guys, just stick around as I'm on my new journey to be a full-time content creator.